In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your room smell good, fresh, and amazing all the time using Aera, an amazing air freshening technology that can transform any room to heaven. Hey guys, this is the Sun and welcome back to my channel where my goal is to show you guys the best technology, the best equipment out there to make your life just a little bit easier. So if this is your first time and you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button as I always have great video like this coming out. I used to get candles for like $20 that will last me a week and that's it, if a week, and then I had to always turn it off, turn it back on, always a hassle. Until I found this, Aera. This is an amazing product. It comes at a hefty price of $150, but in return, you get something that will last you a long time. This unit, I believe I paid $180 for it, and it comes with one scent. Now, this air freshener is not like your ordinary air fresheners. The people who created this are perfumists. They know how to make perfume, and this is something that smells amazing. Like, here's the difference between a perfume and air fresheners. You would never put an air freshener on yourself, but this smells so good that you want to put it on yourself. You like, how can I get this smell on me? They come in a variety of smells. They come in different scents. They have a couple of seasonal scents that are only out during certain times, but they have a couple of base scents that they're always out. One which that I got is Poetry. I believe this is a great scent that they have, and the good thing is that it's controllable by your phone. You can schedule it, and the cartridge would last you up to 6 months. So this is awesome. It comes in this amazing packaging. As you can see, the packaging looks awesome. The packaging looks really nice. There is a couple of tape right here, and let's open it up and see what we get inside. Now the scents are about $60, but considering each one of them will last you for 6 months, that means you're paying like couple bucks a month, and then for something amazing. And then also it looks cool. So this is the box. Put it aside, and we have the unit right here with the really cool strap to open it up. This is so cool. This is so cool. So this is the actual unit itself. To put that aside, so the next item that we have is this beauty. Now what this is they have all the scents right here that you could, these are the base scents that you could just like a cologne, you could just perfume, you could just lift it, smell it, and if you like it, order it. Next we have the manual on how to run this, how to control it, all those good stuff. We have they're here to help, so this is their phone number, address, and everything if you want to check this out. And it comes in this 2 beautiful cartridge. These are the smells that they come with. So, oh no, actually this is the scent, this is the plugs and stuff. So we got their charging cable, standard charging cable. It is 15 volt. We have a couple of items that I don't know what they are yet, and we go to the actual scent itself. Can't smell anything yet, but this should be interesting. Oh my god, it smells so good. I can smell it. This smells amazing. This smells really good. This is gonna be interesting. So we put that aside. Done with this. We bring this to the front, and we'll have we need the app. So gonna go to our app store. I'm very excited. This thing is gonna be a game changer. this is the app itself. It is downloading at the moment, and we should be up and running shortly. So while that's downloading, we're gonna connect our machine. Now again, you don't really need the app, but the app is nice because then you can schedule it, program it, and have it turn on and off at specific time. So after you install it with the app, what you do is that you remove the bottom cap. There is a cap on the bottom that you remove, and oh my god, it smells so good. And there is a little pin on the top. You take that out, and right on the back there is the cutting that you can see the amount of scent that it has left inside of it, and then you simply place that in, and then you turn it on, and then voila, it would start working. And oh my god, it smells great. Now at the beginning it makes a little bit of noise, but as soon as it works for a little bit, the noise is gone. I read in the forums, I talked to the actual customer service, and they told me the noise is because the fan is working for the first time, but after a little bit of work, it's gonna the noise is gonna be silent. So, and this is how the noise sounds. It's not that loud, you won't notice it, but it's definitely there. It's something that there's a fan inside, the fan is working, it's pushing it out, and everything happens in this small little environment. But the sound is gonna be gone after a little bit. Now I can assure you guys this thing is awesome. Now I haven't tested it out for that long, but I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think of it. So far right now, I think it's a really good device. I think it's nice, it's neat. I love the white color to it. I love how simple, clean that is, and the scents are really good. So big plus. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you have any suggestion, or if you use any product you think is better than our Aera, let me know down, and I'll be sure to chat with you guys soon. And as always, stay happy, stay classy, and stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Here's another thing. It's been on. This thing has been on for 5 minutes, and the whole office smells crazy, like smells so good. I don't know if I'm like this is so good.